Well, the Rock Auto stuff came in for this Ranger. Got the fuel sending unit, alternator, and the serpentine belt. My dad's and the brakes and stuff. Dad's looking for 2 alternator bolts because it's got one, but the other 2 are missing. So I'm working on the fuel filter. My dad bought 2 of them, 2 micro guards. They were $4 a piece. So I thought that was cheap. But it's very simple on a 93 2.3. Probably the same for the other ones. Just slides right in. You have to go in from here, and the notch goes right there. So all you got to do, loosen the clamp, take it out, put the new one in, tighten the clamp, put the lines on, fuel filter is replaced. So let's go ahead and get this tightened. Well, I had to use 2 hands because fuel filter was moving out of the slot and the clamp was moving up, but it's tight enough now where I can hold the camera without it moving. So make sure that's good and tight, and it is. So what we do, put the lines on one end, other end. Now grab your brand new clips that it comes with. Which are these things, and you just put them in there. I think they go in this way. Wait, hold on. Crap. Might need 2 hands for this, guys. Yeah, let me use 2 hands. We're having a little bit of issues here. Can't get those tabs on. My dad can't even get them on. Being stupid for some reason. Should be. I don't know. So that tab right there was the issue. So hold that. Let's see what happens now. Alright. Tab's all the way cut off now, so let's see if it fixes it. There. It's on now. Now my dad's got to cut this one off too.
And it has a stupid tab too.
How in the world were you able to get the old one off then? I had to do the same to that side because that side wasn't going on either. So let's try this again. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, the old gas from that old fuel filter smells awful. I don't know if I told you guys, but I bought 4.8 gallons of gas. We'll round it up to 5. Put it in the tank, fresh. All 5 gallons of gas been put in there, not just 2, all 5. A little bit in there, and it wasn't enough, so my dad had me go to the gas station. I just got almost 5 more, so yeah, there's the old tabs. Let's let the truck back down.